understand Japanese grammar but still freeze when trying to speak, the problem might not be vocabulary. It might be the way you are trying to build sentences. And once I realized this while learning English myself, speaking suddenly became much easier. In English, you usually say the most important information first. I study Japanese. Then add details. At school every day. But in Japanese, we build the sentence in the opposite direction. 毎日学校で日本語を勉強します。Japanese starts broad and moves towards the main action at the end. When I was a college student in Tokyo, I had exactly the same problem in English. I knew grammar, I knew vocabulary. But when I had a conversation with my classmates in English at an English class, I couldn't build sentences fast enough. By the time I organized the words in my head, the conversation had already moved on. That frustration is exactly what many Japanese learners experience too. I always say mind equals expression. The way you see the world affects the way you speak. Japanese people often describe the setting first, then narrow down to the key point. English speakers often start with the key point immediately. That's why Japanese word order can feel backwards at first. Try this yourself. I'll go to a ramen shop with my friend tomorrow. How would Japanese people build this sentence? 私は明日友達とラーメン屋に行きます。Okay, tip 1. Don't translate full English. Tip 2. Build Japanese from broad to specific. Tip 3. Practice speaking aloud daily. Tip 4. Prepare mini sentences before conversation. So if Japanese word order has felt unnatural to you, don't worry. You're not bad at Japanese. You're simply learning a completely different way of organizing thoughts. Start with short sentences. Say them aloud daily. Train your brain to think from big picture to important point. That's how Japanese starts feeling natural. And if you want to practice this with me step by step, I'll link my speaking practice lessons below. Thank you for learning Japanese. See you on another video.